In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add newsletter sign-up to Shopify password page on desktop. By the end, you'll have a simple email capture form on your password or coming soon page so visitors can subscribe before your store is live. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin on desktop. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all of your storefront's design settings live. Make sure you're working with the theme you intend to use. If you have more than one theme, look for the one marked as your current theme. Next, click Customize on that theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you change the content and design of different pages without touching any code. At the top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down that usually shows Home Page by default. Click that drop-down and look for the password template. It's often grouped under a section called Other or a similar label. Select Password so you're editing the correct page. You'll now see a preview of your password page, which is what visitors see when your store is locked. On the left side of the editor is the Sections panel. Look for an Add Section button. Depending on your theme, this might also appear as Add Content or Add Block in a similar spot. Click that to open the list of available sections for this page. From the list, choose the option named Newsletter or Email Signup. The exact name can vary by theme, but you're looking for the section that adds an email capture form. Once added, you'll see it appear in the preview and in the left panel. You can usually drag it up or down to position it where it makes the most sense on your password page, such as beneath your main heading. Now customize the content. Update the heading to explain what subscribers can expect, like early access or launch updates. Adjust the subtext to keep it clear and friendly. If your theme allows it, tweak colors and spacing so the form is easy to read and aligns with your brand. Aim for strong contrast between text, background, and button colors for accessibility. When you're happy with the layout and messaging, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. That's it. Your password page now includes a newsletter sign-up form, so visitors can leave their email while your store is protected. This form typically adds contacts to your Shopify customer list as subscribers, making it easy to reach them when you're ready to launch.